In this video, we are going to start network theory subject. In network theory, we are going to discuss graph theory subject. Under the graph theory topic, we are going to discuss basic terminology. Under the basic terminology, first we have to know what is network and what is node, then branch and loop. Next topic is graph. First we have to know the definition of graph and then types. Third topic is subgraph. First we have to know the definition of subgraph and then types. There are two types of subgraphs. First one tree, second one co-tree. After that, network graph is represented as matrix. So under the matrices associated with network graphs, we are going to study incidence matrix, fundamental loop matrix and fundamental cut set matrix. First we see the definition of graph theory. What is meant by graph theory? Graph theory is also called as network topology. Graph theory is also called as network topology. It is a graphical representation of electric circuit. Then we are going to see uses. Graph theory is used for analyzing complex electric circuits and then used to find branch voltages and branch currents. Then we see the basic terminologies. First one, we see the definition for network. What is meant by network? Network is any interconnection of passive and active elements. In case network consists of only passive elements, it called as passive network. In case network consists of only active elements, it's called as active network. Next topic is node. What is meant by node? Node is a common point in a network where two or more elements are connected. Node is nothing but a common point in a network where two or more elements are connected. Elements are either passive elements or active elements. So let us see one example. This is a network. This is a resistor. 10 ohm resistor, 10 ohm resistor, 10 ohm resistor, 5 volt voltage source. Here there is a connection of voltage source and resistor. And here there is a connection for 3 resistance. Okay. There are two types of nodes. First node is simple node. Second one is principal node. What is simple node? Simple node is a junction of only two elements. Simple node is a junction of only two elements. Principal node is a junction of two or more elements. So see this example. There is a connection of two elements. One is voltage source, another one is resistor. So this node is considered as simple node. There is a connection of three elements. Three resistors are connected in this common point. So this is considered as principal node. Then see the definition for branch. What is branch? Branch is the elements connected between two principal nodes. For example, there is two principal nodes. One resistor is connected in first principal node. one resistor is connected between second principal node. Consider this example. This resistor is called branch. Okay, there is two principal nodes. The component which is connected between the nodes is called branches. This is the branch, this is considered branches, this is considered as branch. Next, see the definition for loop. Loop is nothing but a single closed path for a current flow. Consider an example. This is considered as loop. This is considered as loop. For example, this is considered as loop. In loop, starting and ending points are same. In loop, starting and ending nodes or points are same. Next, we see the definition for graph. A graph is also known as network graph. It consists of set of nodes connected by branches. We already know what is meant by node and branches. Okay, consider this example. There are three components are connected in this node. This is called principal node. In this node, three resistors are connected, principal node. Third one is, this is also a principal node. Components are connected. For converting the electric circuit into network graph, there is some conditions. First one, passive elements. Passive elements is nothing but a resistor, inductor and capacitor should be short circuited. Passive elements should be short circuited and voltage sources should be short circuited. Okay, then there is a current source should be open circuited. Okay, we should follow the conditions for converting electric circuits into network graph. Okay, this first node, first we are going to short circuit this one to second node, short circuited these nodes. We have to open circuit this current source. Okay, in this circuit, number of nodes 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of nodes is equal to 4. Count the branches. Number of branches. First branch, second branch, third, 4, 5, 6. Number of branches in this circuit is 6. Then we see types of graphs. There are 4 types of graphs. First one, connected graph. Second one, unconnected graph. Third one, directed graph or oriented graph. Fourth one, undirected graph or unoriented graph. First, connected graph. Connected graph is nothing but there is a connection between one node and second node. There is a connection between first node, second node. That is a connected graph. Unconnected graph is there is no connection between the one branch and another branch. Okay, if there is a connection between nodes, that is called connected graph. If there is no connection between nodes, that is called unconnected graph. Third one, directed graph or oriented graph. For take example, consider this example. If we mention the direction for branches, that is called directed graph. Consider the same example. If we didn't consider the arrow mark or direction, that is called undirected graph. Or unoriented graph. That's all. In next video we are going to see subgraph definitions and types of subgraph.